They say she mates, and then she kills. A creature cloaked in silk and shadow, feared, misunderstood, and mythologized. She is the Black Widow spider. In the world of arachnids, few names spark more fear. The Black Widow isn't just venomous, she's become a symbol, woven into our culture, our fears, even our crimes. Native to warm regions across the globe, the Black Widow spider is known for her potent venom, 15 times stronger than a rattlesnake's. But it's not the bite that's made her infamous, it's what comes after. Yes, it's true. In some cases, the female eats the male after mating. A dark, primal act of survival that earned her a name borrowed by something much darker, the human Black Widow. In the early 1900s, one woman took the spider's legend and lived it. Belle Gunness, a towering figure in rural Indiana, lured men to her farm with promises of marriage.
Bring your savings, dearest. We shall begin a new life together.
But none of them ever left. Dozens vanished. Their bodies were later found buried in shallow graves around her property. Some say she killed over 40 people, including her own children and husband, all insured in her name. When her house burned down in 1908, a headless corpse was found in the wreckage. But to this day, many believe Belle escaped. The Black Widow spider became more than a creature. She became an idea of beauty, danger, and betrayal. She crept into film noir, crime fiction, and headlines, her name forever tied to women who kill with calculated charm.